Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to disable Find My Device on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook and you'll have a screen looking like this opened. Now, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, we have the File and Edit, we have View, Go, Window, and the Help option. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have, of course, either the date, your Wi-Fi, and all of those things. And at the bottom of the screen, we have a lot of applications, as you can see, which, of course, you can go and put in there, or, of course, remove some if you don't like them. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and disable Find My Device on a MacBook. So first of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. So we have the top, Apple logo here, click on it and click on System Settings. And this will be open then. In the sidebar, click on Apple ID. So you have it here under your name. So we have your name, and then under it you have Apple ID. And then click on iCloud. After you have clicked on iCloud, click on Find My Mac, and then click Turn Off next to Find My Mac. This will disable the Find My Mac feature and remove activation lock from your device. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.